for what I put my mother through running the streets. Trying to get my green on, calling up Nina when I need someone to lean on. You don't understand the things that I've been through. More love for the streets than the people that I'm kin to. And times is hectic, niggas pathetic. We need some anesthetic, cause death is where we headed. I wish I could forget it. The stress is a reminder. People walk the streets with blinders. Keepers done turn to finders. Disrespecting old timers, stacking my riches. Do life, but trying to handle business. Maybe I look suspicious, using names that sound fictitious. Needing money ain't gonna play out. It ain't no way out, and I'll be dead any day now. Fuck turning around, my hood is shook like a dice game. When will my life change? Cause ain't no nice things in my fucking price range. Playing dirty hearts with my inmate counterparts on the third tier. I wonder what got me here.
Of making greenbacks. My missions ain't taking fiends crack, just making mean tracks so I can live luxurious. Fuck the furious foes, the jealous, them fools, and my fellas. See all them curious hoes is rebellious because my man will excel in bundles of hundreds and double. But for now, I'd rather struggle than to go to jail. That's why I dwell on the side where niggas live swell, sporting Benz, Lexus and Beamers, just hitting skin, sexing bitches and leaving them broken hearted. No joking, I've opened targets. Look who's spoken, I'm choking artists who wanna start this fast life. Your only future's past life. Police using billy clubs and flashlights to beat them niggas ass like Rodney, but they can't stop me. The corner's my guiding light. There ain't a guy in sight that can fuck with this guy tonight. I see fools claiming territories, telling stories of blasted niggas. I let them glow by their venue while I continue stacking figures, making millions. I'm in it for the love of money and women with the funny feeling them hoes, but I'm running in them. Anyway, many say they should have been gone cause they're hurting, but for now I leave them searching like Glenn Jones.
Since the age of 6, I wanted new kicks. I had to get a grip, so I flipped hundreds of ounces just to make me rich. And then some, I wanted to boost up my income, cause mine was struggling. Now her only son smuggling. Hit double 10s and 20s, no time for enemies. I wanted to roll, cause my soul wanted a Bentley to pimp these hoes and keep my game tight. Hit her the same night, cause I came right to infiltrate my same height. I used to be a bad little kid, cause I had to do a bid so I can live 100,000 years without fear. I roll up on your set where the homeless at. I give them food and brews, a jacket if it's cool. I got the jewelry, but it ain't doing me nothing. So ain't no future in your front. And Breeze said, bustin' bleed red and they feeding out the fiends that I'm smoking. Look at the cluck head choking. He broke in my shit, that's it. I had enough of this puffin' shit. Riding around town, getting down, cause he's bumping. I'm dumping his shoe, go in the ditch. Ain't that a bitch? Cause he's broke now. Show him ain't no joke now, pal. There goes my Mac 10. He's asking for trouble, so I blasted doubles. No need for rebuttals. I got the juice like OJ to get acquitted. Pass the mic, so hit it, so I can get lifted. For all the old times, I hold it and let my soul climb. You can't hold me, cause my rhyme shines like gold teeth. Smoke like a soul leaf. If he in that's rolling like Buddha says, who the best KO? You know the rest.